How many articles did you know? Actually, in English, there are only 3 articles, such as a, an, and lastly, the. These 3 articles are used before the nouns or noun equivalents and also a type of adjectives. These 2 are both indefinite articles, while this one is a definite article. When we say indefinite, means not clearly stated or unknown, which also means that these 2 articles are used before a noun that is not known or not clearly expressed to the reader. While on the other hand, this definite article is used to indicate that the identity of the noun is clearly expressed or something known to the reader. Also, remember that the article a is only used before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sounds. Example: a basket in my room. We cannot say an basket in my room. The baskets in my room is also wrong, since we need to consider that the noun must be in singular form. This is correct, since the noun is singular and the noun begins with a consonant sound. Next, an. An is used before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sounds. Let's say, for example, an apple on the table. This is correct, since apple is in singular form and also apple begins with a vowel sound. It is not correct to say an apple's on the table or a apple on the table. Last article. Remember to use this only before a singular or plural noun that is known to the reader. Example: the Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. Here, we use the, since the desert mentioned in the sentence is known, which is the Thar Desert. What if the sentence is, there's blank, largest desert in India? The largest desert in India was not mentioned in the second sentence, so we need to use an indefinite article. Observe that largest begins with a consonant sound, so an article a must be used. It is not right to say, there's the largest desert in India, since the largest desert was not mentioned in the last sentence. Take note of that. For the purposes of understanding how articles are used, it is important to know that nouns can be either count or non-count. In addition, count nouns are either singular or plural, while non-count nouns are always in singular form. Example of count nouns are apple or apples, pen or pens, coin or coins, or in short, these are the nouns that can be counted. While example of non-count nouns are sugar, water, sand, rice, milk, and etc. Well, it's really obvious that you cannot count how many sand in the river, or how many sugar are there in a hot coffee, or how many single rice are there in one sack. Now, you must remember these 3 rules in using the article with respect to count and non-count nouns. If it is count noun and the specific identity is not known, then use the indefinite articles. No articles used when the noun is non-count and the identity is not known. For both count and non-count nouns, if the identity is known, then use the definite article. If all things are in general, means not clearly specified, then no articles are used. Try this one. Get a scratch paper and answer this for you to practice answering questions related to articles. Just comment your scores down below. Answer key can be found on the description box. Don't cheat. This is for your improvement. Good luck. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Hope you've learned a lot. That's the biggest achievement for me. When I successfully transfer knowledge to each one of you. Anyway, if you are new to our channel, just consider subscribing and don't forget to follow us on Facebook. That's all for today. Bye for now.